Welcome to the Straight Talk of Africa. I am Shaka Sali, joining you live from my home in Arlington, Virginia, a suburb in Washington, D.C. I have to be very honest with you that I am hugely terrific, and as some of my fans have suggested, an awesome son of Mother Africa. I have to be honest with you that I am profoundly honored and exceedingly humbled to have the opportunity of hosting you once again on the Straight Talk of Africa, and particularly appearing live on the Voice of America is a kid from Kabale, Uganda. I happen to be a very good and proud Muchiga, who has, however, grown into an adult personality out of journalism and now based in Washington, USA. Washington happens to be the de facto political capital of the world. That's where some of the decisions which affect all of us globally are made. And the kid from Kabale is now operating and running the same in the United States of America. I have to be honest with you that I am profoundly honored and exceedingly humbled for the compliments and support. And now when we talk about the other issues of political part of the African continent, where democracy has remained a key in some of the countries, and a case in point for this time to talk about my mother country, Uganda, where we have seen the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni rule the country for close to 40 years now. Remember, our issue and major impact as the people of Uganda is that we have to keep the African hopes alive and standing. I take this opportunity to thank all of you, the viewers, both in America and across the globe. Hugely terrific, profoundly honored and exceedingly humbled for your compliments and support. So as time happens not to be our best ally, remember to keep the African hopes alive, stay better and not bitter, my friends.